Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode. Today I have a construction backhoe loader, a construction tractor. You see them, construction sites, you know. Thanks for stopping in. Um, Watch me build it up, guys. In each one of those boulders comes a little gem. Well, two of the three boulders, you get a gem. And you get a little porta potty for the ladies and gentlemen to use the restroom. Uh-oh, Susan already has to go, it looks like. Oh, wonder what she did in there. He stunk it up. Hopefully Carl doesn't have to go in there anytime soon. Alright, well I build up the rest of this tractor. Try to find some of them gems. Susan already found one. Oh, there's a scuffle. Carl got it. They each got a gem. Break up the rest of these rocks. It's the last bag. So this is my second tractor. I have the farming tractor and I have this one. Actually, I have a MOC, a mock build. I have a little red tractor. It looks like a little farmall. I have a short with it on there. If you guys want to go back and watch it. I'm getting that backhoe ready. Got the front loader ready. I actually got to use some Lego shocks in this for the first time. Right there, you can see it. There's two of them. And it actually works really well. I was surprised. If you guys haven't gotten this set yet, you should check it out. It's $19, 20 bucks. It's not bad for the amount of stuff you get. Get these tires on here, we'll be ready now. If you guys are still with me, you should like and subscribe, follow, comment. I'm going to be putting out a lot more stuff in the future. Go ahead and jump on the wagon. Anyways, guys, thank you. Have a good day, night. See you next time. Bye.